नमस्कार साथियों, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल लॉर्ड शिवा क्लासेज योगेश कुमार पर। आज हम जोन्स गैल्सवर्दी का महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्नों का कंसेप्ट लेकर आए हैं जो टीजीटी, पीजीटी, जीआईसी, एलटी, DSSB, NVS, KVS, जूनियर टीचर्स भर्ती के लिए है। इसमें से 4 या 5 अंकों का ज़रूर पूछा जाएगा। आइए अब हम अपना कंसेप्ट शुरू करते हैं। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो वीडियो लाइक करना एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल आइकन प्रेस करना, जिससे आपको आने वाली वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। जोन्स गैल्सवर्दी, who was born 1867. Importance points for exams: TGT, PGT, GIC, KVS, NVS, DSSB, LT, NET, English. Birth: Galsworthy was born 14th August 1867 at Kingston Hill, Surrey in England. Death: he was died 31st January 1933 at Grove Lodge, Hampstead in North London. Parents: John and Blanche Bailey. Galsworthy belonged to the 20th century. John Galsworthy was the son of a lawyer and studied law at Oxford himself. Galsworthy began his literary career as a novelist and short story writer with From the Four Winds 1897 as his first short story. He was educated at Harrow and Oxford. He was the son of a wealthy London solicitor and property owner. In 1889, he took an honor degree in law. He was called to the bar in 1890 but never practiced. During 1891 and 1893, he went on a trip round the world. He began his career as a writer in 1895. He married Ada, the wife of his cousin Arthur Galsworthy, after his death. In 1912, he made a tour of the Salter House in England and wrote a report on the inhuman methods of slaughter and in 1916 Galsworthy and his wife worked in a hospital in France for some months. In 1919 he refused the offer of a knighthood. In 1921 he was elected the first president of the London section of the Pen Club, an international body of poets and playwrights, essayists and novelists. Many of his early novels were written under his pseudonyms John St. John. In 1930, Oxford University and Princeton University conferred honorary doctorates on him. In 1931 he was appointed Romans lecturer at Oxford. In 1932 he was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature. He donated the prize money to a trust meant for the benefit of the pen. Galsworthy's first play is The Silver Box, which written it is a three-act comedy produced in 1906. This made him famous as a playwright. Please our channel like, subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video. The first successful novel of John Galsworthy was The Man of Property, which written 1906, which raised Galsworthy to the front rank of the living novelist. In this successful work, he created a new type of fiction by balancing, as he said, the virtue and vice of his her Somesis foresights against the vice and virtues of other members of the same family. Indian Summer of a Foresight is the masterpiece novel of Galsworthy. This is a series of the three novels and two interludes, which published in 1922. Galsworthy's first novel, Jocelyn, was published in 1899. Literature is its own reward. It is spoken by Galsworthy. Strife deals with the conflict between the capitalists and laborers. Jack Berthwick appears in The Silver Box. Poor Jones appears in The silver box. In strife, the strike takes place at Trattora Tin Plate Works. David Roberts is the leader of the laborer in strike. Social problems of his time is the main theme of most of Galsworthy plays. Galsworthy tragedies are called social tragedy because his plays addressed the class system and social issues. Two of the best known being Stripe 99 and the Skin Game 1920. Girls were the important works. First novels. Jocelyn, which come 1899, first novel. Second, A Man of Devon, A Night 19, first. Third, The Signs 19, first. Fourth, Salvation of a Forsyth 19, first. Fifth, The Man of Property 1906, The Country Houses 1907. Eighth, The Participant 1911. Ninth, The Dark Flower 1913, A Novel of Love. 10. Freeland 1915. 11. Beyond 1917. 12. The Sands Progress 1919. The Forsyth Saga 1922. Collecting the Stories published earlier. 14. The White Monkey 1920. 15. The Show, which coming 1925. 16. A Silent Wing 1927. 17. Passerby 1927. Now, Plays and Comedies, which written by Jules Galsworthy. First, The Silver Box, which come 1906. First play. Second, Joy, which coming 1907. Sorry. Third, The Eldest Son, which come 1911 and 12. Fourth, The Foundation, which come 1917. Fifth, Strife, which come 1909. 6. Justice, which come 1910. 7. The Little Dreams, which come 1911 and 12. 8. The Pigeon. 9. The Fugitive 1913. 10. The Mob, which come 1914. 11. A Bit of Love, which come 1915. 12. The Little Man, which come 1915. 13. The Burning Spear 1918. 14. The Skin Games, which come 1920. 15. The Family Man, which come 1921. 16. Loyalties 1922. 7. The Windows 1922. 18. The Silver Spoon 1925. 9. Escape 1926, written in California. 20. Exile 1929. The Rove 1929. Now, poems, which is composed by Galsworthy. First, moods, songs, and Dogger, which 1912. Second, The Bells of Peace, 1921. Third, Versus Old and New, 1926. Essay and Stories. First, A.C. 1916. Second, Indian Summer of A. Forsyth, 1917. Third, The Five Tales, 1918. Fourth, Another Sheep, 1919. Fifth, Caravans, 1925. Sixth, Castles in Spain, 1927. Thanks for watching.